Hi, I'm Luca from Echidna Sewing, and today we'll be looking at the brother buttonhole foot, aka the A foot, found on most brother machines. First, put your button of choice into the buttonhole slide plate and tighten to fit. This will determine the length of your buttonhole. To attach this foot to the machine, slide the foot in with the button at the back. Release the presser foot down, attaching the foot to the machine. Be sure to pull the buttonhole lever down behind the bracket. To get a precise buttonhole, you can mark a T on your material with a water erasable pen. Keep in mind that your machine will sew a buttonhole from bottom to top. After choosing a buttonhole design, lower your foot and press the green button to start sewing. After the buttonhole is sewn, all that is left to do is to open the buttonhole with a pin and seam ripper. To do this, pierce your fabric with the pin at one end of the buttonhole. Then use a seam ripper to cut the opposite end up to the pin. And that's how you use your buttonhole foot.